Hello guys, welcome to Edo Sandwich. Today in aptitude we are going to see time and work. This topic is important for government exam and also it has been asked in many competitive exams. Most of the IT companies have time and work in their aptitude round. So please don't miss this topic. Don't skip any part so that you'll never miss the flow. In time and work, there are two types. One was time taken to complete the piece of work. Here, we'll have a piece of work with us. We need to find the time taken. And the second one was work done in a given time. We'll have a time here. We need to find the work done. Consider if a person can complete the work W. W here was a piece of work in n number of days. Then the work done in 1 day is given by work done in 1 day is equal to 1 divided by number of days. This we can say as W equal to 1 by T. This is also known as W equal to 1 by N, where W gives the work done and T gives the time taken, that is number of days. We can say this in another word. If a man completes 1 by nth work in a 1 day, then he'll complete the entire work in n days. The same work. In time and work, there are different types. Now we'll start with type 1. In type 1, always they'll consider 2 persons or 2 teams. Here we can consider 2 persons. Consider we have two persons who work for a different number of days in a different efficiency to complete the same work. Efficiency is number of amount of work a person can do in a day. Here the formula is PhD PhD for first person and equal to PhD for second person. I'll explain it now. P here was number of persons in a team. Here we have 2 teams. In the 2 teams, the number of persons in the team will be considered as P. H is number of hours in a day. Number of hours in a day that the team works. D gives number of days taken to complete a particular work. Example, a company has a piece of work which need to be delivered. The same work was done by 30 men from a team A. The team A usually works 8 hours in a day. So they completed the work in 10 days. Let's take everything and write it in a given. Team A, number of persons in the team is 30 and number of hours they work for a day is 8 and number of days they completed the work is 10. Then we move to the second part of the question. This time the work was given to team B. Previously the team A completed the work in 10 days using 30 members working 8 hours a day. Now it was given to team B. Team B, what they do was they usually works only 6 hours a day, which is 2 hours less than team A's work. So H2 is 6 hours and they completed a work in 5 days, which is 5 days less than of team A's. Now we need to calculate number of persons who worked to complete the job in team B. Here the data given was the team A's number of persons and the team A the hours taken by a team A to complete the work and number of days taken by team A to complete the work. We need to find the number of persons needed in team B to complete the same work. Here both the works were same. So this is our formula. The persons in the team A, number of hours they take in an team A and number of days taken by team A. The same for team B. Now we can substitute everything. We need to find number of persons in team B while completing a job. So that is 80. On substituting everything and calculating, we will get 18. 18 men from a team B will work to complete the job in 6 hours for working continuously for 5 days. Thank you. That's all for the day. Tomorrow we'll come up with the new type under work and time. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.